so. I'm taking out this side, the passenger side. There's the culprit. See that little tab right there? You gotta take it up that way. Like so, I start. And then, watch. So with this, you have to gently get in between. There's a layer. 2 layers right here. There's a layer. And a little bit on each side. Okay, it's coming out. So you gotta try. You gotta get up under here too. And then separate it, see what I mean? You don't mess with these on each side. See how it's separate right here? And then this upper part comes off. This part all comes off. When putting it, one of these bulbs in, you never want to touch it. You know, because the oil in your fingers will get on it and ruin it. So you can start to pull it off. Okay. Voila. That's what you do. Anyway, and see that little tab? There's a little tab right there. So it came out like that. Remember how it comes out? It's a little tab. That tab there. There's not a tab on this side to the left. There is one right there. That's your tab. H7. Remember tab. To lift a little black mark to tab. Tab to tab. And there's 2 little holes going there. But you can figure that out. See how that's going in? Gotta make sure it's flush. There you have it. Goes that tab to tab as a guide. That little tab right there.
See how it lines up in there, line?
Yep. This is the other side, the drive side going in. So there's a certain way you put it. Well, my dad got this side, but you can see how you got to put it in, and that's how it's got to look at the end. With those 2 tabs, it's on each side. It was hard for me. My dad got it in, then put it into